Matriarch convicted in decade-long murder-for-hire case. Tallahassee, September 4, 2025. A Florida jury has found Donna Adelson, the matriarch of a wealthy South Florida family, guilty of orchestrating a murder-for-hire plot that resulted in the death of her former son-in-law, Florida State University law professor Daniel Markel. The conviction culminates a saga stretching over a decade and involving multiple family members. Charges and conviction. Donna Adelson was convicted of first-degree murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and solicitation of murder in the fatal shooting of Markel, who was gunned down in his Tallahassee garage in 2014 in the midst of a bitter child custody dispute. Prosecutors argue that Adelson orchestrated the hit to help her daughter, Wendy, relocate with her children to South Florida, something Markel had strongly opposed. During the verdict reading, Adelson visibly broke down in court. The judge paused the proceedings for a 2-minute recess, admonishing her to regain composure before the jury returned. The web of co-conspirators. Donna Adelson is the 5th person convicted in connection with this case. Charlie Adelson, Donna's son, who was earlier convicted and sentenced to life in prison. Catherine Magbanua, Charles's ex-girlfriend, who acted as intermediary, also serving a life sentence. Sigfredo Garcia, the triggerman, received a life sentence. Luis Rivera, the second hitman, received a 19-year sentence after cooperating with prosecutors. Wendy Adelson, Donna's daughter and Markel's ex-wife, has consistently denied any involvement and has not been charged. Motivation and trial highlights. The prosecution painted Donna as a calculated matriarch with both motive and means, and portrayed the plot as the culmination of sustained pressure to relocate Wendy and her sons closer to the Adelson family. Emails and testimony were central to establishing Adelson's role, alongside witness statements from jailmates who alleged Donna admitted to involvement. Donna Adelson had been arrested in November 2023 at Miami International Airport while attempting to board a flight to Vietnam, a country without an extradition treaty with the U.S. What's next? Sentencing. Sentencing has not yet occurred. Judge Stephen Everett has scheduled a case management hearing for October 14, 2025, prior to the final sentencing. Given the severity of the charges and harsh outcomes for her co-conspirators, a lengthy prison term, possibly life, is widely expected. The human toll. In an emotional impact statement after the verdict, Ruth Markel, the victim's mother, said, "We have lost a treasure. My son Dan's life was cut tragically short at 41 years old. For 11 years, we have been forced to a life filled with unimaginable pain and heartbreak. This verdict marks a pivotal development in a deeply personal, tragic case, highlighting how family conflict, power, and desperation can collide with devastating consequences."